Oh, well, hi. Hi. I didn't see you there. Alrighty, folks. Yes, I know the bike is dirty. The bike is very dirty. I just rode to school today in the rain, so the girl is all dirty. Right now I'm going to go do some work. That's why I got my pants and my boots on. My work stuff. But in today's video, we are going to talk about is the Yamaha R3 fast? Now, if you guys want the simple answer, yes. It's quick. It's not hitting like 180. It's not doing anything crazy like that. But yes, the Yamaha R3 is fast. Like, it's quick. For a beginner, it's gonna satisfy you. Like, you should be happy with the Yamaha R3 for a while. It's extremely quick around corners. It's extremely fast. Well, not extremely, but it's fast in a straight line. Faster than your average car. But yeah, I totally recommend this bike to any beginner out there. Like, this is a great bike. I am going to be switching over to a ZX6R, so that's going to be happening. But I'm gonna try to wait for that and I don't know, get some more life out of my R3. This thing's virtually brand new. You see the miles right there. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna wait for a bit before I upgrade, even though I can upgrade pretty soon. And I'm going to try to get really good at this R3. And then switch over to a ZX6R. I want either the 2024 ZX6R or the 2025. The price is pretty absurd. It's like $12,000. Absurd for me. I mean, I'm still in high school. Alright, folks, here's our first little test of the video. If the Yamaha R3 is fast. It's quick, but you'll see. Alright, let's go. I did a little bit too much of a wheelie there. Oh, that scared the hell out of me. I didn't mean to do a wheelie, I just meant to take off. These thick gloves. Thick gloves. I also got hand warmers in there, so it's like extra thick today. But yeah, I mean, this thing accelerates pretty quickly. The 0 to 60 time is pretty good. I need to officially measure it. I haven't yet. But yeah, I don't know, it's a pretty fun bike. I should have worn a jacket because it's cold. It's probably like 40 degrees, 50, I don't know. I have like 3 or 4 shirts on and a thick sweatshirt and I'm still chilly. It was like 90 the other week and now it's like, oh, it's terrible. That's Minnesota for you. There's a dead skunk somewhere around here. I forgot about that. I can smell it. Yeah, today probably wasn't the best day to record a video. I mean, it super blew me out. I mean, not very cinematic, but oh well. Gotta make do with what you have. Gotta grow that channel somehow. I'm hoping to be able to get my helmet and stuff pretty soon. Right after school's over, then I'll be working a ton. So I'll be building up some cash really fast. I hope that was a bug that just splattered on my windshield. Alright, here's another test. Y'all ready for this? It's hard to feel my clutch and stuff in big old boots. Yeah, we're gonna go slow. Alright, you ready? Get down to a low speed and... Oh, that was bad. We'll do another one up ahead. My boots are so hard to feel not the clutch, the shifter with. So I was like trying to click it up and I couldn't feel it. I also, whatever. Anyways, if you guys are wondering, this bike will actually sound amazing with a better exhaust and then a tune. This thing will sound like a baby R1. It's amazing. That's what I plan on doing. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. Alright, we're gonna do our second pull, or third actually. Nobody behind us. We're gonna do it from like 10 miles an hour so that way I don't have to have goofy problems. Come on. Come on. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Trying to keep it legal. But yeah, that's 0 to 60. That's, or not 0, that's 10 to 60. It's pretty quick. Not the quickest bike out there, but like for something that you could get for like 3,000 bucks, this thing is pretty nice. But yeah, you could get a used one for like 3K. I got this one virtually new. Just a couple, it was like 2023. But yeah, it had like a 1,600 miles or something like that on it. And overall I got that for like 5,500. The title transfer I was not expecting. That was goofy. I did not like that. That was like 300 bucks. It was so embarrassing because I thought the lady meant like $3.70 or something like that, and then it was like $300. Gosh dang it! That would have been so much extra money! Anyway. Yeah, just going for a chill ride. Nice and chill ride. Man, I should get a seatbelt on this thing. Move! 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 Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I will see you later.